Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel, The World of Literature. This is the fourth video in the series of Dalit literature. I will talk about Om Prakash Valmiki. Om Prakash Valmiki was an Indian Dalit writer and poet. He is well known for his autobiography Jhutan, which is considered a milestone in Dalit literature. He was honored with Sahitya Bhushan Award and Dr. Ambedkar National Award in 1993 and Parivesh Samman in 1995. He died of stomach cancer in 2013 in Dehradun. The topic of my discourse is Valmiki's Jhutan, an autobiography of pain, suffering, and humiliation. First published in Hindi in 1997, Jhutan, A Dalit's Life, is an autobiography by Om Prakash Valmiki. The book is translated into English by Arun Prabha Mukherjee, a professor of English at York University, Toronto. It is a seminal text that chronicles Valmiki's life marked by discrimination, pain, suffering, and humiliation due to his Dalit identity. The title Jhutan refers to the leftover food destined for the garbage or animals. But unfortunately, India's untouchables have been forced to accept Jhutan for centuries. Valmiki gives a detailed description of collecting, preserving, and eating Jhutan. His memories are the recollection of the past, which burn him with renewed pain and humiliation in the present. The book described the oppression and problems that he faced while growing up as a Dalit boy. Valmiki was born into the Chuhara or Bhangi caste, whose jobs was to sweep the roads, clean the cattle barns, dispose of dead animals, and perform labor for upper caste people. Tyagi Brahmins did not address the community by the names. It was all right for them to touch cows and stray dogs, but touching a Chuhara means inflicting pollution. Though untouchability was abolished in 1949, but the Dalits continued to face discrimination, economic deprivation, violence, and oppression. Valmiki described his childhood days when he was denied basic meal a day, even after working for the entire day. He and his family was denied of the one meal per day also. The surrounding where he stayed was very filthy with dirty pigs roaming around and all the clutter accumulating in it during the rainy season. Mosquitoes thrived on the pig's excreta and people developed itchy sores on their body. There was only one well in the basti, which became full of worms in rainy season. They had no choice but to drink water from that particular well. Valmiki described the struggle of his parents who wanted to give him education. They enrolled him in a school, but there too he was discriminated on the basis of his caste identity. The teachers asked him to sit on the floor, clean the school and the toilets. They punished him and other boys of his community for no reason and told him that his job was to sweep and not to study. He endured the pain and humiliation very silently. He described an incident in the book where his elder brother had fever, but there was no doctor to attend him because he was an untouchable, and so his brother died due to lack of medical attention. This incident had a great impact on his mind. He described another incident in the text. The community looked forward for the marriage fest in the village. They would gather there outside the house of the Brahmins to collect the leftovers from the thrown leaf plates. He remembers how he used to collect it from the garbage and eat the jutan. He writes, I feel I am grown up in a cruel and barbaric civilization. He knew his transformation and change would come with education. He studied in the light of lantern, did his graduation, and passed his exam, inspiring other children of his community to show interest in education. He left to pursue college education to Dehradun and stayed there in Bhangi Basti. It was here that he encountered the works of Dr. Ambedkar, which really shook him up. He became more restless, his silence began to melt, and anti establishment consciousness became strong in him. He writes, Ambedkar's books had given voice to my muteness. The book, Jhutan, is a long silence and long denied sufferings of the Dalit. It is a major contribution of Dalit history and a manifesto for the revolutionary transformation of society and human consciousness that had gone through pain, suffering, and humiliation. Thanks, dear friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Keep watching. I will be coming with yet another writer of Dalit literature. Thank you.